Take a look at these pictures. Don't you see anything strange about them? That's right, the vehicle's driving, but there's no one at the wheel. A vehicle that moves by itself. This might be a common scene in the future, thanks to self-driving technology. My presentation is mainly divided into 6 parts. First, the definition. Next, the technology. Third, the levels of classification, challenges, and the perspectives of the future. My presentation will end with 2 simple quizzes, so please pay attention. Firstly, the definition. Self-driving means that it is capable of traveling without input from a human operator by means of computer systems working in conjunction with onboard sensors. In other words, a vehicle that can drive itself through computer systems. It is also called autonomous driving or automated driving. Next, let's talk about technology. The technology can be divided mainly into 2 parts, SLAM and navigation. SLAM is an abbreviation for simultaneous localization and mapping. Localization is getting a hold of one's surroundings, and it is done so through sensors. The sensors can be divided into visual SLAM and LiDAR SLAM. Visual SLAM uses images taken continuously and compares them to sense the direction the vehicle is moving and the objects around it. This way can sense movement, but it can't know the exact distance or numbers. LiDAR SLAM uses a laser sensor and ultrasonic waves to sense the distance from and between objects. This is the same way bats or dolphins use. This way can calculate the exact statistics, but it is very costly. Multi-sensor SLAM, on the other hand, uses a combination of the two, and is therefore the most efficient. Then, with the information collected from the sensors, the computer system analyzes it and draws a digital map of the surroundings, like that. It is with this map that the vehicle actually moves or navigates toward its destination. Next, the levels of classification. Level 0 is fully manually controlled. It is the level that most of the vehicles you can see on the road today. Level 1 is the lowest level of automation and means adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control is automatically keeping a safe distance behind the next car. Level 2 is Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS. This controls both steering and accelerating. The next level, Level 3, is Conditional Driving Automation. It can make informed decisions for itself, but still needs human override. Level 4 can intervene if things go wrong, or if there is a system failure. It doesn't require human help in most situations, but it's not fully automated. The last level, Level 5, doesn't require human automation at all, so it will not have steering wheels or pedals inside. Fully autonomous cars are undergoing tests in many countries, but none are yet available to the public. The challenges and obstacles of this technology. Obviously, the most obvious challenge is safety. The vehicles and technology must be perfect because lives may depend on it. But as the technology evolves and becomes more and more complicated, the more things can go wrong. To solve this problem, companies usually use more than 2 types of technology at once, so that even if one fails, the other one will work as backup. Another problem is data. You need a lot of data for a car to completely self-drive. And on top of that, you need good quality data so that the system can train on it and know what to do in almost any situation. And of course, there's the chance that the vehicle will encounter a situation that no one has ever seen before. Another major obstacle is regulations. It doesn't matter how good the system or vehicle is. If the law doesn't allow it, it can't be released on the market. So then, what is the future perspective of this technology? Even after several setbacks, the community still widely agrees that it has the potential to change the future of transportation and society at large. It could also create massive value for the auto companies by generating up to billions of dollars. Especially robo-taxis, robo-shuttles, and autonomous trucks are receiving worldwide attention. But of course, the knockoff and damage on other companies, like roadside assistance, will be significant. Thanks to self-driving technology, the roads will become much safer too, because human fatigue and carelessness were the causes of most of the fatal accidents in the past. But on the other hand, consumers might not be willing to fully trust autonomous vehicles. This could be a major obstacle.